I know that you don't know it, but you find so fine. Oh, girl, I wanna show you that you're mine, alright, mine, alright. That is what you are. You're my golden star. You can make my dreams come true. If you let me treasure you. If you let me treasure. Pretty girl, pretty girl, pretty girl, you should smile. I can't like you, never it's so blue. You're everything I see in my dreams. I wanna see that too if it wasn't true. Oh, girl, I wanna show you that you're mine, alright. Oh, girl, I wanna show you. That is what you are. Honey, you're my golden star. You make my wish come true. If you let me treasure you. If you let me treasure. You are. Treasure, that is what you are. Honey, you're my golden star. You make my wish come true. If you let me treasure you. If you let me treasure.
Guys, alam ko. You know. Yes. And syempre, by the way, let me take this opportunity po para invite po kayong lahat to watch our shows on GMA Pinoy TV to catch All Out Sundays and my, of course, upcoming drama show po. Subscribe lang po kayo to Bell 5 TV. Just download the Bell 5 TV app and enjoy TV everywhere. With the Bell 5 TV app, select Kapuso shows are also available on demand. Visit bell.ca/5-TV to learn more. And syempre, follow nyo po ang GMA Pinoy TV on social media for the latest in global Pinoy entertainment and news. At, yes, guys, actually, kuya, thank you. Hindi po ito ang first time ko sa Canada. Palagi po akong nasa Canada. Hindi naman po palagi, pero ilang years na rin po ako pabalik-balik. Nandito po yung mga kamag-anak ko rin. Yung uncle ko, actually yung sumama sa akin kanina, yung isa sa security uncle ko po yan. So, malapit po sa puso ko talaga ang Toronto, Canada. And of course, mahal na mahal niyo po kami dito sa Toronto, Canada. Maraming salamat po sa walang sawang pagsuporta sa amin, mga Kapuso Stars. Yes, and speaking of pagmamahal, yung intro ko pong next ay mahal na mahal po. So hindi ko na po patatagalin. Guys, ang ating Asia's Limitless Star, Miss Julian San Jose.
One of my original songs. And I want to take this opportunity to sing this song para po sa inyong lahat. At sana po ay magustuhan po ninyo. Kamusta po kayo dyan sa likod? First time I laid my eyes on someone like you, I can't forget the moment with you. And I Thank you po!
Thank you so much po.
everybody! Maraming salamat!
見た瞳ぬくもりも信じ合う5人の仲間5に全てをかけてやるぞ力の尽きるまで地球の夜明けはもう近いたとえ一遍筋振ろうともたとえ大地が揺れるとも飛び出そう戦いの空へ守ろうよ戦いの庭を握り合う互いの手と手真心を信じ合う5人の仲間 Everybody! に命をかけてゆくぞ勝利を瞬間まで
Umaasang mag-iba ang isip ng aking mundo. Lugar ay lumalim, ako ay wala. Roto go! 1, 2, 3, go! Pinabunso ako. Sasalinin kong mundo, tumitigas, umitiyak, gagawin mo ako. Pinabunso ako. Sasalinin kong mundo, tumitigas.
Kasama na rin yung mga couple. Couple, wala? Grabe. Grabe wala. 1, 2, 3. Alright, thank you so much. Guys. Get ready. Thank you.